something more to eat.
Really?
And I have to give myself
You're
a
hungry?
to take my pills. Yeah, I mean, the cereal was pretty good, but...
Okay, said Dakamo.
But I just need a little bit more. I'll go with the sugar chips.
You gotta eat those out here.
Yeah. Okay, fine then. Why did they do that?
Because they can. Done. Wait.
Alright, I got the
I'm looking for something. I'm looking.
And then?
Dang it, no triangles, no Illuminati in here.
And then I need to get myself some... Oh wait, then I'll
A
probably...
drink.
I need a drink because my mom wants me to take my pills. Is it
Okay,
filming? Have you been filming?
For the past minute.
You went outside?
No. I started recording in here.
I was just about to say...
I tried to record a clip of me riding up here.
But...
It didn't take. When I looked back at the camera screen, oh shoot, it's not recording.
Yeah.
We got Dakamo. A trap. And we got me. Which this video needs a lot more of.
Alright, let's go.
Geode.
Is it actually filming?
Yeah, Jacone, it is.
Yeah. You know what?
We're gonna turn this off so we can do our stuff here. And we'll see y'all later in this vlog.
Yeah, peace out.